In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App can't link card at this time. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. If you're experiencing the can't link card at this time error on Cash App, it can be due to various reasons such as technical issues, incorrect card details, or problem with the card issuer. So here are the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. So first you want to check your card details, so ensure that you're entering the correct card information including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Next is you want to verify your card compatibility. So Cash App supports Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover debit and credit cards. Prepaid cards and some government issued cards are not supported. Next is you want to ensure sufficient funds. So make sure there are sufficient funds on the card, as some cards may require a small balance to complete the verification process. Next is you want to update your Cash App. So ensure that you're using the latest version of the Cash App. So updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Next is you want to check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable internet connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. And sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches or errors. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.